In the world is Scotty working on today?
All this can be yours.
And more.
And more.
Oh.
If I gets paid. No, kidding. kidding.
No,
okay, so
he really isn't, but okay.
we have
Oh.
a back seat.
Whoa. Watch your legs for a second. Let me get...
Go ahead, sweet kids. Go ahead.
Brute force is trying to get through.
So, I got to do some cleaning yet. And I got to set the stoppers.
Mm-hmm.
So that we don't go too far back and it sets like it's supposed to. So we had to take the back piece out to figure out where everything went because I was dumb and I didn't mark the holes for where everything goes.
Getting that all on camera.
Yeah, I was stupid. So now we're trying to find the holes. Put this down. So I had to take all of this back off again to get this set. I still got to bolt the seat back into place, put the rubber stopper back on, which will give me a chance to set the stoppers. Everything's good that way, that there's no problems. But because I didn't take this apart, and the guy that was helping us to do this at the time is no longer with us. He didn't last very long. He just didn't. So now it's trying to find everything. That's why, and a lot of the screws had to be replaced because they were just plain and simply no good. And I missed a screw. I missed a screw.
How'd you do that?
I don't know, hold on.
Well, I mean, we know we missed...
There we go.
A couple missing your head. But...
Well, you know, hey.
Can we go have lunch downtown Palm Springs in this thing? But I'm riding in the back.
Oh, dude, this is, yeah. I cannot wait for the first ride with the owner in this car. It's going to be amazing. I mean, it really, really is. It's going to be amazing. But yeah, there's so much I love about this car. There really is. And it's coming together so nice. You know.
His little attention to detail with all the door handles and...
That's my OCD. I don't know if that's attention to detail. That's my OCD.
Well, close enough.
Really bad.
I was trying to give you a benefit of the doubt, but okay.
Why my ex didn't, so why would this be any different?
This is actually pretty comfy right here.
It's actually not that bad. I mean, I know we may have to do some stuffing for the back seat here because it is old. And we did lose a lot from the mice that got to the car before we even knew it was coming. So, something bit my leg and it's driving me crazy today. Damn. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, kitty.
Squirrel.
Yep. So, I'll get that last screw in. Got to figure out where this bolt's on. I'll get this cleaned off. Get the red piece in. Get this bolted together. Because it took us forever to figure out why we couldn't get this to go in properly, no matter what we did. The arms had moved in a direction that, since neither Bernsey or I took this out, we didn't know. So it took us a while to get it figured out. We got it figured out. It's good, and it's in its proper place now, and she's locked like she's supposed to be. So we'll get it there, just one step at a time. Now that the seat's in, and we have the back done, I'll just get that part bolted into place, figure out where we got to go with it, because I don't know. I really don't. So... But yeah, we'll get it, guys. But on that note, hasta lasagna.